All right, today we're gonna try it out. We're gonna make a rooftop tent for our dogs. Yes, I know what you're saying, John. You have a rooftop tent. Why don't you put them in there? Look, I got an Australian Shepherd, a miniature baby Australian Shepherd, and that fool likes to put all his hair all over the place. Hell nah, man. I don't want to have all that while I'm camping. That's very uncomfortable and nasty. If it works out, hey, this is a very, very inexpensive way to do it. So let's check it out, see how it goes. I went to Ross and spent less than 40 bucks and got a standard dog crate that could fit both of our small dogs. I prepared to use extra plywood as a base and purchased 1/4-inch carriage bolts that fit quite perfectly with the Prince 2 rack system. I also purchased these babies to make the install even easier. But as a pleasant surprise, this is literally going to help me prevent from cutting that plywood. I just got to measure, right? I got to make sure that I can actually put this on the rack, do my right measurements, you know, here. If I can measure that correctly, we should be gold. The Prince 2 rack allows you to adjust the rails in place as needed. Grab yourself a drill and a T20 torque bit to make this process easy peasy. Just quick side note, take your time to avoid any stripping. After making sure the crate railing is not in the way of your drill holes, it's just a matter of measuring and drilling. 2 inches from the corner, 1.5 inches side to side. Don't forget, measure 18 times and drill 1 hole. Alright y'all, we got the holes in. Let's see if this works. That was probably like literally the hardest part of it all, just making sure the measurements were right. I did have to make that adjustment for these rails. I have one that I kept loose. I'm about to tighten it up now. Now that I know how to fix, I'll just tighten this one up and then put the whole cage on there and see if we need to use these big ones or drop it down a couple inches so the dogs won't die. Let's see how it goes. Alright y'all, that worked out way better than I thought. Let's get the dogs in here. Aw, look at them all cute and rooftopy. After simply breaking this thing down, another amazing surprise occurred. I'm super excited because, first of all, I didn't even use half the tools I was going to use to get this done. And on top of it, it's collapsed, so I was thinking I had to carry it outside and then install it every time we do camp. But I can literally keep it like that, tie it down. It's already bolted in and it just pops up ready to go. Catching my breath because I'm fat. We're about to go camping this week, so let's go see how it works when we're out there. We made it out to Oxford Ranch, which I'll be reviewing soon. The rooftop tent held up rather nicely. No added wind noise and no issues. It popped up as easily as I expected and was ready to go in seconds. We do have a tarp in case it rained or if it was a bit too chilly, but the weather ended up being so perfect we left it fully exposed. After a long day of exploring, Remy and Lucky gave us no issues getting in and welcomed a good night's sleep. The peace of mind of having easy access to our fur babies and knowing that they're going to be as comfortable as we are is quite priceless. Good morning, fur face. Look at them, all ready to poop and stuff. Part of our main concern is having to go camping without our entire family. And if you love your pups as much as we do, you can totally relate. They are our family. And to see them enjoying new places, running around and having fun is just as important to us. And overall, what an effective and low cost solution this was. For a solution that's under 40 bucks, this is an absolute huge win for us. Yeah, I hope this was beneficial for you. This ended up working out way better than anticipated. They slept pretty well in there. It was comfortable for us because we knew that they were going to be okay up there with us. If you found this beneficial at all, feel free to hit that like button and also the subscribe button to be a part of the Road2Manhood community. To all friends new,